Have you ever wondered what a transaction coordinator does? Maybe you've heard the term before, but you're not exactly sure what they do or why real estate agents hire them. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what a transaction coordinator does, why agents need one, the skills you'll need, and what a typical day looks like. If you're curious about a career in transaction coordination, this video is a great place to start. Let's start with why agents hire transaction coordinators in the first place. Most real estate agents wear a lot of hats. They're meeting with clients, showing homes, negotiating contracts, answering questions, and trying to grow their business. What many agents don't have time for is all the paperwork, the follow-ups, scheduling, and deadline tracking. That happens after a contract is signed. That's where a transaction coordinator comes in. A TC helps keep everything organized and moving forward so the agent can focus on their clients. Think of a TC as the person helping keep all the moving pieces together. Once a buyer and seller agree to a deal and sign a contract, the transaction coordinator steps in. The TC becomes a central point of communication for the transaction. They help coordinate with the lenders, title companies, attorneys, inspectors, survey companies, agents, buyers, and sellers. Their job is to keep everything moving toward a successful closing. A good way to think about it is this. The agent is steering the ship. The transaction coordinator is helping make sure the ship stays on course. The first thing a TC usually does is review the contract. They're checking to make sure everything is complete. Are all the signatures there? Are all the dates filled in? Are any documents missing? Once the contract has been reviewed, the TC begins setting up the file and tracking important deadlines. From there, they start coordinating inspections, following up on documents, communicating with the parties involved, and making sure everything stays on schedule. The goal is simple. Keep the transaction moving and prevent problems before they happen. One of the most valuable things a transaction coordinator does is help prevent mistakes. Some common issues include missing signatures, missing documents, missed deadlines, miscommunication between parties, last-minute surprises. Even small mistakes can create delays or additional work. A good TC pays attention to details and helps catch problems early before they become bigger issues. You don't need to know everything about real estate to become a transaction coordinator, but there are a few important skills that help. Organization is probably the biggest one. You'll be managing multiple files, deadlines, and tasks. Communication is also important because you'll be talking with many different people throughout the transaction. Attention to detail matters because small mistakes can create bigger problems later. And finally, having systems helps tremendously. Whether you're using a checklist, spreadsheet, software platform, or a combination of tools, having a system helps you stay organized and on track. If you enjoy organization, problem solving, communication, and working behind the scenes, transaction coordination can be a very rewarding career. It's fast-paced, it's detail-oriented, and every transaction gives you an opportunity to help people successfully buy or sell a home. I've worked in real estate, title, and transaction coordination for many years, and it's a career that can offer flexibility, growth, and the opportunity to support others in a meaningful way. If you'd like to learn more about becoming a transaction coordinator, be sure to subscribe. And if you have questions you'd like me to answer in future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.